In this video, I will show you how you can get your first AI automation agency client using Instagram. For that, you need to first fix your Instagram profile. But let's be real. If you're sending DMs and doing outreaches, and if your profile looks average, no one's gonna reply. And in 2025, your profile is your brand. At the end of this video, I will provide you a copy paste outreach script which will book you 2 appointments every 100 outreaches. So watch this video till the end. So let's dive in. Number one is profile picture. Keep it clean, professional, and friendly. Just a picture of you smiling. That's the first thing that people see when you DM them. Number two is followers. Now, don't panic. Yes, I recommend you to buy followers at the beginning. If you have 100 followers, no one will take your DM seriously. But if you have 1000 plus followers, people will at least check your profile. Remember that this isn't fraud, this is just social proof. Think about it. If Iman Gadzi sends a message versus a profile with 100 followers sending a message, who will get the reply? So buy some followers just to give your agency a kickstart. And yes, keep in mind that further, don't just keep on buying followers. With that being said, comes our third step, that is following. Just like followers, your following list matters. If a lead clicks on your profile and sees that you just follow your school friend, this doesn't look professional, right? Instead, follow people with strong brands in your niche. If you are targeting fitness coaches, follow fitness business mentors. This builds subconscious trust. You are telling them, I am serious about this space. Fourth comes is your bio. Your bio is where most people mess up. Here's a simple structure. The first line will be who you are and what do you do. The second line will be calling out your niche. And the third will be testimonials. If you don't have any testimonials, then just write on a mission to serve 100 clients. The fourth line will have a clear CTA, DM me info or link below. And the fifth point is link to your YouTube or LinkedIn. Don't skip this point because this is one which builds trust. Now comes is content. Now content isn't your main lead generation. It's just a step to build trust. You may be thinking that what can I post? By using content, you can educate your audience. You can market your product. Remember that this isn't your lead generation yet. We are doing this just to build social proof because when a lead gets your DM, they click on your profile and they check for one or two contents. So they must get to see a professional looking content. These are the 5 points which you must improve right now. And here's your gift. This is a copy paste script for your cold outreaches which will get you leads even faster.